Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. My name is Beena. Today I am here with a very tasty sandwich recipe, broccoli egg sandwich. Broccoli is extremely healthy, rich in protein. I prepare this sandwich very often and my family love it. Before that, I have prepared playlists for all the recipes whatever I have uploaded in this channel. So based on the categories, you can watch whatever video you like. So let's see how to make this nutritious sandwich. Here I have taken 6 florets of broccoli. I am going to cut them into very small pieces. Chop them very finely. So let's do that. So finely chopped broccolis are ready. If you want, you can make even more smaller pieces. This is almost 2.5 cup of shredded broccoli. Here I have a medium sized onion. Chop it finely. So finely chopped onions are ready. Now let's prepare the egg batter for this. Here I have taken 3 large sized eggs. I am going to break them into a bowl. Adding 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. 3/4 teaspoon of chili powder, which is less spicy. I am going to serve this sandwich for breakfast, so I don't want to make it too spicy. Adding 1 tablespoon of milk. This will help to combine masala very well. There will not be any lumps of masala if you add milk into this. Mix well. Adding some salt. So egg batter is ready. Let's prepare filling for our sandwich. Pan is hot, so I am adding 1.5 tablespoon of oil into this. Let's add this chopped vegetables into this. Adding onion. Adding finely chopped broccoli. Sauteing it for 1 to 2 minutes. Do not allow to lose the crunchy texture of broccolis. Adding 1/2 teaspoon of pepper powder. And some salt. Salt we added while preparing the egg mixture, so little bit is enough. Pouring this egg batter. Mixing it well. To this I am adding 1 tablespoon of less spicy chili sauce. this is optional. If you are preparing the sandwiches for kids, you can avoid this. Mix well. So our filling for the sandwich is ready. For preparing sandwiches, I am using white bread, trimming the edges of the bread slices. You can use any bread of your choice, white bread, milk bread, wholemeal bread, brown bread, whatever it is. It's up to you. Spreading some mayonnaise on each bread slices. Adding some filling. Covering this. For next sandwich I am using some tomato ketchup. Spreading it one side of the bread slices. Adding filling into this. And some cheese on the top of the filling. Covering this. If you have some green chutney, you can use that also as a sandwich spread. Now I am going to toast these sandwiches. You can prepare 6 sandwiches like this using this filling. So let's toast it. Here I have a non-stick pan. If you have a leftover chapati, you can make kathi rolls by using this filling. You can try out many varieties. Spread some butter. Placing the sandwiches one by one. Toast both sides of the sandwiches, flipping in between until outside of the sandwich becomes crispy and slightly golden in color. So this is ready. So our last sandwich is also getting ready. I prepared only 3 sandwiches right now. Leftover I can use for kathi rolls, or I can use it as a broccoli burji. So our healthy, protein-rich broccoli sandwich is ready here. Try this recipe and let me know your feedback in the comment section. Hope you liked today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Until next video, bye bye.